Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's see how to connect your Stripe account to Shopify if that Stripe option is not showing in your payments provider. Especially, I have to tell one thing: if you are in a country which is supported by Shopify payments, just use that Shopify payments because it's totally worth it, and they both are the same because Shopify payments use Stripe, so basically they are both the same. But if you still prefer the Stripe payment option, then let's see how to add Stripe to your Shopify. So let's get into the video. And here we are in the Shopify dashboard. Let's go to settings and go to payments, and then you can see activate Shopify payments because Shopify generally recommend Shopify payments to use by Shopify customers. So let's go to see all other payment providers. Then you can see no Stripe here. Let's search it. You can see Stripe isn't showing. So let's see how to fix it. You have to go to general and you have to edit the billing information, which is we have to change from United States to France. Simply change it. No need to do any other things and hit save. After saving it, go back to payments and see all other providers. And you can see Stripe is showing. Then you can simply go to Stripe and hit your email address, etc. And that's it. Then you can again go to general and change it to your default shipping address or your home address. And if you are an established brand and you need a website for built by us, you can just hire us. We do e-commerce websites and we do organic marketing as well. We are specialized in organic marketing, especially Pinterest and TikTok organic and SEO blogs. So if you need any help with that, just reach to us. So if I hope you got value from this video, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching.